Hello YouTube. In case you haven't noticed, I was able to parse the tiled, which is a level editor. I managed to parse the format in which it makes levels. So what I decided to do with that is work on a project that has been put away for a couple weeks, and it's called Project Racer. And I'm actually pretty excited to show you this since it's gotten pretty far in the progress. So here's my character, or my car, and the forward key, or the up key, is to accelerate, and the back key is to brake and reverse. Now, I'm not sure how good the frame rate is going to be, since I had to kind of drop the FPS count for my recorders so I can get a decent video or decent gameplay for myself. But yeah, it is moving. And if you press the right and left keys, it'll turn the car. Now, in case you're wondering, because way back when I wanted to make a top-down racing game, the way it turns is, it's not like it runs a huge amount of if statements, because that's what I thought that you would have to do. But how it works is, when you press the left and right arrows, it applies torque, which rotates the car. Now, the way it moves when it accelerates, how it looks like it's moving realistically towards the rotation, is that you move it based on the sine and cosine of the angle. So when I press the accelerate key, it's moving it at a coordinate of where x equals the sine of the angle. Let me check. Yeah, where x equals the sine of the angle, and the y equals the cosine of the angle. And then when you brake, you just apply a negative to it. That way it goes backwards. But yeah, that's some math for you, trigonometry. Here's some varies of layers going on. This is the collide layer, all the yellow brick blocks, and the background layer is just grass. And these things right here, they used to be spawn points, but I decided to change it up, so I had to get rid of that. And these three blocks are in the pushable layer, and when you do this, as you can see, it actually pushes it using the Box 2D physics. So yeah, I look forward to using that in more maps. So I'm just going to drive around this map and just give you a little feel for how it works. Go, we completed technically one whole lap. So the things that I plan on updating is obviously some checkpoints to actually check if you completed a lap, and maybe a menu to select maps. I'll probably do the first one first since that's more important. But I hope you enjoyed it, and I look forward to working on this project. So yeah, thanks for watching.